Welcome back to the Mid-Year Mitch YouTube channel. In today's episode, I'm taking a rear deck, roof skin, pillar pockets, and a rear split, put them all together, and I'm gonna make a new rear deck for the scalp split, so be sure to stick around. I have a couple split window decks laid out here. This one's a hand-laid reproduction, and this one's mostly original fiberglass with the exception of just a couple pieces, but I need to make this one look more like this one. So you can see this is made up of several pieces that need to be grafted together, and I'm not gonna, tell you that this split came from this car, but this one had red paint, that one had red paint, and these cuts line up really nice. So I need to figure out a way to make these window openings the correct size from this one to this one. We just want to make sure everything is parallel, that way the glass fits in nice, the trim fits on nice, and it just lines up with the car and it's the correct size. So what I need to do is pull a couple molds from this guy to help graft this together. I was able to pull out my new fiberglass mold. It came out of the plug really well. I didn't have any issues. I used some compressed air as well as a wood block and a panel separating tool to kind of work it out, and the whole thing popped out in one piece, didn't crack. It does have a little bit of flop to it because I didn't put, like 8 layers of fiberglass in it, but it is strong enough for what it is. It'll hold the shape really well. So I just need to go trim up the edges, remove the excess, clean off some of the tape, and this thing will work perfect. I have my split here, and I cleaned off some of the adhesive on the back. It still needs a touch up here and there, but you can see this is what I'm going for. This is sitting in here nice and snug, exactly where it needs to go. So now everything can be located off of this mold. So this thing worked out perfect. I removed all the excess bonding adhesive off the rear deck, the split, and the roof, so now everything's fitting up together really nice. I have a nice spine going up the deck to the split to the roof skin, and so everything's getting close to being able to be fiberglassed in place. I need to cut off the excess of this pillar. I have a new one to install. I'm just going to creep up on cutting it out because I don't want to cut too much off, and you really can't lay it down all that accurately because these radiuses stack it up and push it to the back and up. So I'll sneak on this. I need to also grind everything, V it out, so that way I get a nice strong fiberglass bond. I'll V it out and fiberglass it from the top, and then we'll take the whole thing off once it cures, flip it upside down, do the same thing on the underside. But first I need to build a lot of stuff. So I need to make this area in here. I need to cover my mold with foil tape so that way I can lay in a nice little gutter the whole way across here, and I can fiberglass over these areas without worrying about it sticking in place. So I have the back end all fiberglassed up. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. The first patch is nice and cured up. I had to do this in several little batches just to make sure I got good coverage, and I was happy with the way everything was shaping up, but I'm really happy with the shape of everything, and everything seems like it's gonna get nice and strong. Most of them are cured up, except for the last one where I did the gutter. I'll still have some touch-ups to do, like where the clamps were and these little block clamps, and some little holes to fill and around like the door opening, but this will at least fiberglass everything together. Once this cures up, I'll pop my mold out of the inside, and I'll probably clamp that reinforcement to the inside of this just to give it some strength. Take it off the car, flip it upside down, and I'll go ahead and fiberglass all these seams from the back side. But that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. This is one of the last videos I'm going to make on the scalp split. It's come a long way, and it's pretty much ready to go home. And in the next video, I'm going to be talking about what projects are coming down the pipeline. So I got a lot of work to do, and I'll catch you guys later.